January 1st, 2019. Just wish I could go riding. Wonder how cold it is out there. Oh, what? 55 degrees? I gotta text Tom. Oh my god. Please, 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 please. Yes, yes, yes. I'm coming, bike. Woo. Let's go! Wow, wow, wow. Oh, Tom.
Hey, champ.
You want to ride?
Close the door.
All right, you ready to go, Tom? Let's go. January 1st, me and Tom are downtown, heading to take some pics. Content. Look at this, it's a motorcycle. That was wild. Oh. Wow, where do we start? Tom and I are out here at Black Falcon Pier. Sadly, my camera lens broke for the second time today, but I've got my GoPro out to vlog. Got some pretty sweet views here. We're gonna shoot some B-roll with Tom's camera in a second. But Tom's getting ready to take some pics of his bike.
Yeah. Tell him how you broke your camera.
I broke my camera shooting that really nice intro this morning. But I was able to finish that, but it broke again in my top box.
Oh, you know what? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film for you, dude.
Why?
I forgot to bring another battery.
So we're a little rusty at this whole vlogging thing, but just moving my bike into position for a couple pics. Tom's gonna take some since I snapped my lens in half. got some of my bike. Tom's battery's dying. We are limited on resources. All right, so we're gonna see if we can find some other cool spots here before everything we have breaks or dies. Found another quick little spot, some nice light. So Tom, tell me what it's been like riding your motorcycle all winter so far.
Not that bad.
Really?
Pretty mild winter here in New England. I'm not complaining. Also, there's no public transit to where I work, and I don't have a car, and I hate bicycling, and I like motorcycling.
At least you can give people nice nods. What's up?
It's like a fucking piece of shit.
I'm gonna roll my bike into the center here and see if I can get a quick pick off. Tom's getting some final pics of me. Then I have a big surprise in store for him. We did our best today. Tom's battery died. My camera broke in half. Find one last spot, and then he's gonna take a look inside my top box.
I've already seen what's in your top box.
All right, ready? I brought a little something just to celebrate our first ride of 2019.
What year is that?
This is actually a 2018. It's aged, probably maybe a month or two. But I've got a couple glasses, and I'd be honored if you could maybe share a drink with me.
I'd really love that.
All right. Hold your glass.
I can hold both.
Thanks. I'm just gonna be careful this thing might pop off.
Oh wow, it's just dangerous screw top.
This did survive the ride.
Yeah.
And it's perfectly chilled. Oh. Wow, this one is live. Oh! Wow! Let's do it! 2019, here we go! Wow.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
This is gonna be a twisted ride back.
Damn.
You take one? Here, let me put the big bottle down. Cheers.
Here's to 2019.
2019.
Moto goals.
Moto goals. Oh, you like that? That's delicious.
Very bubbly. Goes straight to your head.
Cheers. Here's to 2019. Many more rides with Tom. And I'll see you later. Does anyone else want a glass? Yeah, we'll talk. Oh, bye, Tom. See you later. You looked great today. Yeah, no worries. See ya. Bye, Tom. See ya. You're still connected. Oh, yep. All right. Bye, Tom.